I think I bought the weirdest fidget toy ever, you guys, so let's do an unboxing. And I do have to assemble it because it literally